A moderate Muslim headmaster has gone public accusing the Mamata Banerjee government of shielding a group of Maulvis who thrashed him for teaching his students the national anthem in Kolkata. Qazi Masoom Akhtar has not only been banned from the madrasa, but has also been hounded out of the locality. In fact, he hasn't been able to set foot in the locality where the madrasa is located. Not just this, declaring him a Hindutva agent for reciting the national anthem, the local Maulvis asked him to prove his Islamic credentials by asking him to grow his beard. To ensure he followed their diktat, he was asked to send his photograph every week to establish he is compliant. Mr. Akhtar has written numerous letters to various state authorities, including the Chief Minister, as he claims, seeking help. But no action has been taken. Even an FIR has not been filed, raising disturbing questions. Here's the news report.
Sing the hardline tune, enjoy a peaceful life. Sing the national anthem and get singed.
It is our national anthem. We are all, we may be Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, Christian, any religious group. We must devote our national anthem because it is our fundamental duties. We are all Indian.
Qazi Masoom Akhtar, headmaster at a Kolkata madrasa, has been running from pillar to post ever since he was brutalized in March last year for doing his newspaper columns. And now he's in a soup for asking children to sing the national anthem. But Mamata government has turned a blind eye to his plight.
Mr. Mamata Banerjee, I appealed several times to give me justice, to get the necessary action against this culprit who attacked me.
पश्चिम बंगाल की सरकार का जो एटीट्यूड है वो ऐसा लगता है कि जो दंगाई हैं उनके प्रति नरम है, उनके प्रति मित्रता वाला है.
If there is any incident is taking place of such nature, unless Navanno or Mamata Banerjee indicates something, no police officer will take action.
The TMC only offering empty promises.
I don't have the details of all this information, but whenever a person feeling insecure for any reason whatsoever approaches the administration, I am sure that the administration will take appropriate action.
No country for patriots. The writing is clear on the wall, at least in Mamata's West Bengal.
The big question now is, with this headmaster pleading for justice, will the government of West Bengal finally extend its helping hand?
Bureau Report, News X.